talked about the OCC and the Fed and the Treasury and the CFTC and the SEC issuing guidance without the Clarity Act, and I think that the price is going to move before regulation comes in. So, you know, if we are going to get regulation next week, like that little birdie said, maybe there's something between here and there. But it only takes one announcement, is really what it comes down to. If the BIS came out and said that XRP is a tier 1 asset, it would immediately shoot up in value. BlackRock issues their ETF, Evernorth goes live. You have some other announcements that, you know, maybe Ripple's holding back, or the NDAs wear off, or other large corporations or enterprises announce that they're going to be utilizing XRP to settle. Japan decides that they're going to be using that as one of their treasury assets, and they announce that publicly. There's many things that could, you know, compound all at one time to be able to drive massive demand for XRP, and we've seen huge withdrawals from the exchanges. We are at the same levels that we were in 2021 for the amount of XRP on exchanges. It is very low in comparison to what it's been over the past 5 years. So it's not about necessarily Ripple subsidizing the market. If there is enough demand to be able to soak up everything that's in dark pools in the OTC desk, all of that demand will then move on to the exchanges, and it will affect the price, and we will see significantly higher price for XRP. Is it true Swift excluded XRP and built their own chain? How does optional access produce supply shock and price appreciation? Can we still see 750 by the end of the year?